السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. معاكم مس ولاء. إن شاء الله النهاردة هنشرح جزئية جديدة هي ordering fraction. ordering fraction يعني إيه؟ يعني arrange fraction that means know which fraction is the greatest and which fraction is the smallest. Okay? Arrange each of the following in an ascending order as in the example. What is the meaning of ascending order? That's mean arrange fractions from the smallest fraction to the greatest fraction. If I have 4 fractions, 1 over 7, 5 over 7, 3 over 7, and 4 over 7. We said before that if I have 2 fractions have the same denominator, then the greatest fraction which has a greater numerator, then here the greatest fraction, or we want the smallest fraction which has the smaller numerator, then the smallest fraction is 1 over 7. After 1 over 7, 3 over 7. After 3 over 7, 4 over 7. After 4 over 7, 5 over 7. Another exercise. A. 9 over 10, 3 over 10, 5 over 10, and 2 over 10. The order will be, the smallest fraction is, all fractions have the same denominator, 10. Then the smallest fraction which has the smaller numerator, then 2 over 10 is the smallest fraction. After 2 over 10, 3 over 10. After 3 over 10, 5 over 10. After 5 over 10, 9 over 10. B. 5 over 9, 3 over 9, 1 over 9, and 6 over 9. All fractions have the same denominator, 9. Then the smallest fraction which has smaller numerator, then the smallest fraction is 1 over 9, and after 1 over 9, 3 over 9. After 3 over 9, 5 over 9. After 5 over 9, 6 over 9. C. 5 over 7, 3 over 7, 1 and 2 over 7. We said before we can replace 1 by 7 over 7. Then the smallest fraction is 2 over 7. After 2 over 7, 3 over 7. After 3 over 7, 5 over 7. And the greatest fraction, 7 over 7 equal 1. D. 8 over 12, 10 over 12, 3 over 4, and 11 over 12. As you see, 3 over 4 has different denominator, 4. Then we want 4 to be 12. Then we can multiply the fraction 3 over 4 by 3. Multiply the numerator by 3 and multiply the denominator by 3. 3 by 3 equals 9 and 4 by 3 equals 12. Then 3 over 4 equal 9 over 12. Then the smallest fraction will be 8 over 12. After 8 over 12, 3 over 4, that means 9 over 12. After 3 over 4, 10 over 12 and 11 over 12. E. 3 over 8, 1 and 1 over 8 and half. Here we want to replace 1 by 8 over 8 and half. We want 2 in the denominator be 8. Then we multiply the numerator and the denominator by 4. Then half equal 4 by 8. Then we can replace half by 4 over 8. Then the smallest fraction, 1 over 8. After 1 over 8, 3 over 8. after 3 over 8 half or 4 over 8 after 4 over 8 1 or 8 over 8. أتمنى إن احنا نكون فهمنا الجزئية بتاعت النهاردة، هي جزئية بسيطة، وإن شاء الله المرة الجاية هنشرح ايه مع بعض adding and subtracting fractions with the same denominator. يلا، السلام عليكم.